Well, here's my breakfast. I have some potatoes in the skillet and they are cooking. And soon I'm going to add my favorite hot dogs, kolbasa, krasny perec, krasny luk. Very soon we start to cook. And I have happy breakfast. I will put cheddar cheese on the plate. And here we are. Onions and peppers and sausage is in with the potatoes. And I'm going to put in some red chili peppers. And I'm going to put the lid on and let it finish cooking. See you again soon. Очень вкусно. Sorry, did not show you the full plate, but I had my hot dog hash, 2 яйца, coffee, вода. Все, конец.